Hi, this is Srinivas Reddy, chemistry lecturer. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about calculate the sigma and pi bonds. How to calculate the sigma and pi bonds in a molecule? We are using simple formula. Okay, that is number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds is equal to number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atoms minus 1 plus number of other atoms. Number of other atoms. We are using this formula. How can find out sigma bonds and pi bonds in a molecule? This is simple way. Okay, in examination point of view. Suppose we are taken one example, that is CH2 double bond CH, C double bond O, OH. This molecule contain how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds? We are using. We are find out this formula. Okay, that is sigma bonds equal to number of carbon atoms. How many carbon atoms are there in this molecule? We are count one. That is 1, 2, 3. Number of carbon atoms 3. Next to minus 1 plus number of other atoms. How many number of other atoms are there in this molecule? That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 atoms are there. That is sigma bonds equal to 3 minus 1, 2 plus 6 is equal to sigma bonds 8. Sigma bonds 8. We are using another way. We are find out sigma bonds. How many sigma bonds are there? We are using another way. That is C H H CH2. That is C H H. Next double bond. Next C H bond C double bond O. Next bond O H. We are find out how many sigma bonds are there. This is in this molecule CH bond is called as sigma bond. How can find out that is easily? That is C bond C. Next to C double bond C. C triple bond C. Easily this is carbon having one bond. In that one bond is called as what? Sigma bond. Okay. Next in this double bonds are there. In these double bonds, one is sigma bonds, another one is what? Pi bonds. That is, this is pi bond, this is sigma bonds. In this carbon, how many bonds are there? 3 bonds are there. In this, one is sigma bonds, another 2 bonds is pi bonds. Okay, another 2 bonds is pi bonds. Let us see. In this example, observe that C and hydrogen bond is what? Sigma bonds. This bond also what? Sigma bonds. In this carbon having 2 double bonds. In this double bonds, one is pi bond, another one is what? Sigma bond. That is, this is sigma bond. This one is what? Pi bond. Next, this bond is sigma bond. This is also what? Sigma bond. In this carbon oxygen bond is having double bonds. In this double bond, one is sigma bond, another one is what? Pi bond. Okay. In this, one is sigma bond. Next to this is sigma bond. Okay. Totally count that how many sigma bonds are there? 1, next to 2, 3, next to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of sigma bonds equal to what? 8. But number of pi bonds, how many pi bonds are there? 1, 2. Totally how many pi bonds? 2 pi bonds are there. Let us see. This is having more time, taken more time. But we are using this formula, it is less time. having less time. In examination point of view, this formula, we are using this formula, we can easily find out how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds are there. Okay, this is simple tricks. We are using another example. Okay, another example, C2H6. C2H6. In this molecule, having how many sigma bonds are there, how many pi bonds are there, we are using this formula. We can find out this formula. Okay, sigma bonds equal to how many carbon atoms are there, 2 carbon atoms are there, right? 2, next minus 1 plus number of other atoms. How many number of other atoms are there? 6 hydrogen atoms are there, that is 6. Okay, sigma bonds equal to 2 minus 1, 1 plus 6. Sigma bonds equal to 7, that is 7 sigma bonds are there. Okay, let us see another way. C H H H, next to H H H. In this CH bond is called as what? Already we have told that one sigma bond. Okay, this CH bond is called as sigma bond. This is also what? Sigma bond. This is also sigma bond. This carbon-carbon bond is called as only one bond are there, that is sigma bond. Next, this is also what? Sigma bond. This is also one sigma bond. This is also sigma bond. We can find out how many sigma bonds are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally sigma bonds equal to how much? 7 sigma bonds are there. This is using very more time, but we can easily find out how many sigma bonds are there. We can easily find out. That is where simple formula, we are using this simple formula. Okay, next we are using another example. We are using aromatic compounds. Okay, that is benzene. Next we are using another benzene molecule. Okay, in this molecule having how many sigma bonds are there, how many pi bonds are there, we can find out. Okay, easily found out. We are using this formula. Carbon in this one hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, we are already know carbon, hydrogen. This is also one hydrogen having. This is also one hydrogen. Next to hydrogen. This is having one hydrogen. In this, how many carbon hydrogen bonds are there? Sigma bonds are there. We can find out that one. Carbon hydrogen bond, one bond. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbon hydrogen sigma bonds are there. Okay. Next, how many CC sigma bonds are there? This is 1C, 1C, carbon. This is having one sigma bond. Okay. This is also having one sigma bond. This is also having one sigma bond. This is also one sigma bond. This is also one sigma bond. Totally, this carbon having one sigma bond. That is, we can find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, this is also one sigma bond. Okay, this is also having one sigma bond. That is totally 1, 2, 3, next to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Totally, how many carbon sigma bonds are there? Total 11 sigma bonds are there. Totally, count that. Total, how many sigma bonds are there in that molecule? 11, 8 equal to what? 19 sigma bonds are there. This molecule having total sigma bonds, 19 sigma bonds are there. Next, pi bonds. How many pi bonds are there? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pi bonds are there. Totally, this molecule having 19 sigma bonds and 5 pi bonds are there. Okay, thank you.